I found the canvas really useful, mostly because it like helped me actually consolidate my thoughts into like, this is where I really want to be, and these are the baby steps that get me there, because sometimes they're a little bit hard to do. It also really helped me because I was doing it in a time rush, and it gave me quite a consolidated plan quite quickly that I knew I could go back and add bits in, but it gave me sort of a logical thought process. And then going through the workshop today really helped because I had other minds there. And so we could sort of look at all the different ways that you could do work with your business, which you don't tend to think about when you're on your own. But also, where can you focus and what can you work on tomorrow? It's been a great breather in the midst of the love of coronavirus to actually have a chance to think, okay, how are the ways you could make this work now? And that there are lots of businesses going through it. And so it was that chance to remember that we're all having to go virtual. We've actually got a lot of tips we can give each other, and people can see things that you can't necessarily, to sort of add on and build. And some of them were super simple that I can implement now.